Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the charming town of Bragg Creek, Alberta, a picturesque community nestled in the foothills of the Canadian Rockies. Bragg Creek is named after Captain Richard Bragg, a member of the Northwest Mounted Police who played a significant role in the region's early development. The town was established in the late 1800s and has since grown into a popular destination for both residents and visitors seeking a peaceful retreat from city life. Bragg Creek is located at the confluence of the Elbow River and Bragg Creek, which provides stunning natural scenery and ample opportunities for outdoor activities. The area is part of the larger Elbow River Valley, known for its lush forests, rolling hills, and diverse wildlife. Whether you're here to explore the great outdoors, immerse yourself in local culture, or simply relax and unwind, Bragg Creek offers a warm and inviting experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Bragg Creek, Alberta. Thanks for watching.